Hey, it's Nicole Johnson, and I just got a new Farmasi box. So it's just an order, but it's great stuff. So I thought I would talk about what's in here, unboxing, and since I've been on these products for a while, I can share how I feel about them. Aloe Glow, this is as easy as a tablespoon in your liquid, water, juice, soda, whatever. I feel like my hair is better, longer, more manageable, thicker. My skin, I do have a lot of wrinkles. I'm 43, so, you know, I'm aging, but yet I feel like I have a youthful glow and really youthful energy about me, and I attribute it to the Aloe Glow. The other one that I really love, I tried a sample of when I first got one of my orders and don't want to live without, is the chocolate shake. Now it's saying meal replacement for those that want to lose weight. It's great, but I use it for like a midday treat so that, you know, I find that there's no more slumps in energy come 2 o'clock or whatever. You can also use it as a nighttime thing. I use it for nighttime as something to have after or before a meal. And of course, Farmasi, what I love about them is they give us free stuff. And these two products right here, the essential oil was free with the $50 purchase. And this was an incentive when I placed an order, the illuminating primer. That's all that's in the box, but how is your day going? I'd love to hear how your day's going. And if you have any questions on these products, let me know. I'd be glad to answer them. I'm going to do some demos of these things in other videos, and I hope you're having a great day. I appreciate you.